Well, as the year begins, a blank page to write, January dawns, full of hope and delight. February's frost, but love's on the rise. Valentine's Day comes with love in our eyes. March's promise of warmer days ahead. A new season, a new thread. April showers bring May flowers, for I believe the earth laughs in flowers. What new adventures await in May? As the month begins, we can't help but say the possibilities are endless, so vast. Let's make each day a moment to last. June's a month of joy and laughter, a time to celebrate each chapter. The birthday's a time to look back with gratitude, no needs to lack. July's hot sun, a time for fun, ice cream and picnics just under the sun. As for August, well, Helen Keller once said, August is the border between summer and autumn, the transition nature of August. September's last days, a time for change. The summer's heat begins to fade as cooler days begins to invade. October's leaves fall into the ground as the Zambia's flag waves all around. Zambia's freedom, a day to rejoice. October 24th, a new voice. There's a month called November, a month to remember. November's days may be so few, but the very gaze is brand new too. Thus December is a time to love and to share with friends and family where memories are rare. It's a month to remember with joy in our heart. As the year comes to an end, a new one will start. Peace.